What's up, Clone Club, and welcome to Orphan Black Series 2 Reviews and Episode 1, the review Nature Under Causes and Effects. Last night I watched it. It was brilliant, wonderful, epic, good beginning of the episode, opening episode, and yeah, great cast in it. I salute to Tara Bunsen for playing Sarah and the clothes as well. High fives to them. High fives to her. Yeah, it was really good. Fantastic episode ever. I loved it. I catched up season 1. I know what's happening. Yeah, it was really good. Fantastic. Brilliant episode. Great cast. Great writer. Great director. In season 2. Yeah, it was really good and really awesome as well. Yeah, I loved it. Yeah, I loved it. It was awesome. Good effects. Yeah, it was really good. The great the cart. We'll put it down the cart. Brilliant. Yeah, they were really good, fantastic, brilliant episode, fantastic episode. Great cast. Terry Maslin, Kevin Fitch, Mira Dolan, Kellen, Skylar, Vexed, Matt Byrne, Eva Broach, Inga, Carlton, Dylan, Bruce, and Jordan Govened. And I salute to you, the one who plays Sarah Manning, Tara Maslin. Yeah, it was really good, and really some funny moments as well in the episode. It was really good, fantastic. I loved it. I loved Orphan Black, yeah, and I'll give this review a massive 10 out of 10, and massive 10 out of 10 for this review. And the next review I will be doing of series 2, Conference by Sound, Reason and True Region thing. Yeah, it was that's the next review. Yeah, and yeah, see you Saturday, guys, for more reviews, and yeah, see you soon, and see you next Thursday for more from Black, Glee, and EastEnders as well, and Chicago PD. So yeah, see you guys, bye. Bye. And salute to the Clone Club. And thumbs up and share, subscribe, share, and like this video.